There's a paycheck sitting on Amazon right now with your name on it. Has been for months, maybe years, but you just haven't picked it up yet. See? In case you don't know, Amazon has a payroll system most people have no idea exists. It pays out hundreds of millions of dollars every single year to ordinary people with no publisher, no agent, no writing degree, no audience, no email list. It pays them because they did one simple thing. They put books on Amazon. Not books they spent months writing, not books that went through editing, printing, and distribution. Just books. Amazon doesn't care who wrote them. Amazon doesn't care how long they took. Amazon doesn't ask for your credentials. It just asks for one thing. Books that are live, books that are findable, books that are in niches people are already searching. That's it. But here's why 99% of people who try Amazon KDP never make a single dollar. It's simply because there are 3 locked doors between you and Amazon royalties. Door number 1, topic selection. This has to do with which niche you publish in. How do you know if it's profitable? What keywords are people searching for? What categories have demand but low competition? But do you know what? Most people guess this part, and guessing wrong means 0 sales every single time. Door number 2, book creation. Even if you pick the right niche, you still need to create the book, write it, format it, design a cover, make it look professional. This is where 90% of people quit. Because even with AI tools, they're still copying, pasting, editing, formatting, designing. It takes hours, sometimes days. And by the time they're done, they're exhausted, and they never publish a second book. Door number 3, KDP submission. Amazon's KDP platform has 47 different fields you need to fill out correctly. Title, subtitle, description, keywords, categories, pricing, royalties, rights, territories, ISBN, cover upload, manuscript upload. One mistake, and your book doesn't show up in search. Or worse, Amazon rejects it entirely. These 3 doors are why 99% of people who want to publish on Amazon never collect a single royalty check. And if you've tried other KDP tools before, you already know this. The pitch always sounds good. AI writes your book. Publish on Amazon. Earn royalties while you sleep. Then you log in and discover the reality. You still have to pick the niche yourself. You still have to copy and paste content into a formatter. You still have to manually fill out every single KDP form field. You still have to upload files one by one. It's not automation. It's just slightly faster manual work. But here's the biggest problem with every KDP tool that's ever been sold. They all stop at the ebook. One book, one format, one income stream. That's as far as any of them go. Meanwhile, Audible and ACX pay audiobook royalties separately. And those royalties are often larger than the ebook royalties from the same title. Every single KDP tool before ScribeLabs AI left that money on the table. You created one product and collected one income stream when you could have been collecting 2. ScribeLabs AI is the first Amazon publishing platform that unlocks all 3 doors and creates both income streams in a single session. Here's exactly how it works. Step 1. Niche Explorer. You open the dashboard. You click Niche Explorer. The AI scans Amazon in real time and shows you profitable niches with demand and low competition. Not guessing, not hoping. You know which niches are making money before you create a single word. Door number 1, unlocked. Step 2, AI manuscript writer. You select your niche. The AI writes a complete publish-ready book in minutes. Not an outline, not a draft. A finished manuscript with chapters, formatting, structure. No writing, no editing, no formatting, no design. Door number 2, unlocked. Step 3, audiobook converter. Here's where ScribeLabs AI does something no other tool can do. It takes the same book and converts it into a professional audiobook. 22 AI voices, 0 cost per conversion, same content. 2 products, 2 income streams. Your ebook sells on Amazon Kindle. Your audiobook sells on Audible and ACX. You just doubled your income potential from the exact same work. Step 4, Chrome extension auto-submit. Now here's the part that separates ScribeLabs AI from every other tool you've ever seen. The Chrome extension connects directly to Amazon KDP. You click one button, and ScribeLabs AI automatically fills out every single KDP form field. Title, subtitle, description, keywords, categories, pricing, cover, manuscript, everything. No manual entry, no copying and pasting, no uploading files one by one. One click, and your book goes live on Amazon. Door number 3, unlocked. Let me show you what this actually means in dollars. Every other KDP tool. You publish an ebook on Amazon Kindle. It sells 50 copies at $2.99. Amazon pays you 70% royalty. Your income, $104.65. ScribeLabs AI. You publish the same ebook on Amazon Kindle. It sells 50 copies at $2.99. Royalty, $104.65. Plus, you publish the audiobook version on Audible. It sells 30 copies at $14.95. Audible pays you 40% royalty. Audiobook income, $179.40. Your total income, $284.05. Same book, same effort, 2.7 times more money. And that's just one book. With ScribeLabs AI, you can create and publish a new book every single day if you want. 10 books times $284 per book equals $2,840 per month in royalties. Here's the thought that should concern you most. While you're reading this, someone else with ScribeLabs AI is logging in right now. They're opening the Niche Explorer. They're looking at the same niches you would publish in. They're generating a book in a category you've been thinking about. And here's why that matters. Amazon's ranking algorithm rewards books that get there first. The early publisher in a niche captures the ranking real estate, gets the reviews, gets the visibility, gets the sales. The one who comes later has to compete for scraps. Every hour you wait is an hour someone else is building the catalog you could have built. ScribeLabs AI should cost $297 per month. That's what professional Amazon publishers pay for niche research tools, manuscript creation software, audiobook conversion services, and KDP automation separately. You're getting all of it in one platform for a one-time payment of $14.95. No monthly fees, no per-book charges, no limitations. Pay $14.95 once. Publish unlimited books. Collect unlimited royalties. Forever. Get ScribeLabs AI today for $14.95. Use the Niche Explorer to find profitable niches. Create your first ebook and audiobook. Watch the Chrome extension auto-submit to Amazon KDP. See your book go live on Amazon and Audible. If you don't see exactly how this creates a real Amazon publishing income, email us within 30 days. Full $14.95 refund. No questions. Right now, you're choosing between two futures. Future 1. You close this page. You go back to thinking about Amazon publishing. Maybe you try another tool that stops at ebooks. Maybe you manually struggle through KDP forms. Maybe you just keep thinking about it, and 6 months from now, you're in the exact same place with 0 royalty checks. Future 2. You invest $14.95 today. You use ScribeLabs AI to research, create, and publish your first book before dinner. Both ebook and audiobook. Both income streams. One click to Amazon. And in 30 days, you're collecting your first Amazon royalty payment. One keeps you stuck, the other gets you paid. That paycheck on Amazon with your name on it? It's real. Amazon's payroll system is running right now, paying out royalties to people who showed up and published books. The only question is, are you going to show up? ScribeLabs AI is the tool that gets you there. Niche research, book creation, audiobook conversion, KDP auto-submission, all 3 doors unlocked, both income streams activated. For $14.95 one time. Click the button below, get ScribeLabs AI, and go pick up that paycheck that's been waiting for you. I'll see you on the inside.